Now, for the matter at hand, dating. How will you meet people? That's what you want to know, right? What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Living Your Story channel. I'm Coach Keith, here to bring you the best in coaching advice through video. Recently, I was asked to do a video about dating over 40 without going to an online website or using an app. Just thinking about doing anything without the internet or an app is almost a task in itself. After pondering and doing a bit of research, here's what I have come up with for you. I hope those of you that are looking for that special someone will find some value in what I have to share. So no matter what, this is your starting point. You need to get to know yourself and learn to believe in yourself. Getting to know yourself is going to require you to do a bit of introspective work. You need to do things like understand your personality type, your love languages, and your gifts and talents. I don't mean just knowing it. You need to become a student of yourself and therefore be able to teach what you've learned about yourself. Now, is it a qualification for you to know everything about yourself in order for you to meet someone? No. Not necessarily, it's not. Let me share with you why this is important. Investing the time in yourself to gain that deep understanding of what you have to offer. The whole world is actually the idea, but there's more. So there's nothing more attractive than a woman that's confident in who she is. Now, as much as we hear about it, it's still rare that somebody is truly aware of who they are and what their value to the world is. Now, for the matter at hand, dating. How will you meet people? That's what you want to know, right? Now, the one thing that I've learned is that when you're passionate about something and you engage in it, you attract things and people that are attached to those things that you're passionate about. So your passions, you didn't decide what your passions would actually be. You just arrived in this world and eventually you realize that there are things that you're passionate about. You see, your passions, they're part of your journey, and your journey was made to be fulfilling. And if you're wanting a relationship, what better way to find a relationship than being exposed to people that are passionate about the same things that you're passionate about? When you meet someone that's passionate in the same areas that you are, the potential for a deep connection is very high. You'll meet the people by volunteering. You'll join social groups that meet in person. They can even start off as a social media group on Facebook or Instagram that eventually has meetups. You could take classes in person. If you have passions that the opposite sex enjoys, sign up and see what happens. Go to the gym. Start working out and create your own group of acquaintances. Who knows? Your person may be one barbell away. Engaging with other people, that's gonna give you the opportunity to meet more people. Now, the person that you end up with may not be one of the people that you meet at these events. The idea is to meet people. So give yourself the opportunity to meet or be introduced to that special someone. Imagine yourself meeting or being introduced to a potential suitor. Because you've done the work, you now know who you are and what you need in a relationship. Not many women will be able to compete with the level of confidence and awareness that you possess. Your wisdom is going to resonate with the right person, and because everything that you share will be impressed upon them through the passions of your very soul. The internet, again, it's clearly taken over the way people interact with other people. The internet has also created a way for us to find other ways for us to interact with other people. So find your passions and engage in those passions and get your person, and use that connection to inspire others to chase their passions and get their person as well. Now, if this video has been a value add, hit that like button for me. If you have not yet subscribed to the Living Your Story family, go ahead and click that subscribe button and notification bell, so you know when the next videos come out. If you like one-on-one coaching or group coaching, feel free to reach out. All of my contact information is down below in the description area. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Coach Keith is out.